Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them on Routable can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you address these issues efficiently. Step 1. Identify the error. Review your billing statement carefully to pinpoint the specific error. Look for discrepancies in amounts, duplicate charges, or incorrect billing periods. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents such as invoices, payment receipts, and any communication related to the billing issue. This information will support your case when contacting support. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Routable as customer support through the designated channels. Provide them with a clear description of the error and attach any supporting documentation you gather. Step 4. Follow up. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review and confirm resolution. Once the issue is addressed, review your account to confirm that the billing error has been corrected. Ensure that any necessary adjustments have been made and that your account is accurate moving forward. By following these steps, you can efficiently resolve billing errors on Routable. Taking prompt action will help ensure your billing issues are handled smoothly.